Hey guys, I am Sravanti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a very interesting video on DIY. I am gonna make a beautiful bangle using empty cold drink bottle. You can try it at home. I have shown it step by step using very easy technique. So keep on watching. First, I have taken a empty bottle. Needed 3 different size of bangle bases. So, I have cut out 3 pieces from this bottle. One piece 2.5 cm thick and 2 pieces 1 cm thick. Wrap the entire bangle with jute. Add some decorative item. I have used cotton ball and button over here. You can use material of your choice. Let it dry. Here wrap with fabric, then attach thread dory on the fabric. I am decorating those bangle with colored square. Let's have a final look. Hope you like this video. Please like and share my video. Make sure you subscribe us and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.